to relax from the stresses and strains of a rainy day, but with a nice, warm bath. Oh, yes. The warm water, the soapy bubbles, and the dripping... Wait a minute! Dripping? Oh, no! The roof's leaking! Oh! Boys, the rain's leaking into the bathroom. Oh, goodness me, there's a leak in here as well. The pan's filling up fast. Well, you better fetch another one from the kitchen, sweet. When Richard finds out the caravan's leaking, he's not going to be very happy. The rain makes him grumpy at the best of times. Yes, that's true. What is it, Sweep? You found a leak in the kitchen? Not that sort of leak, sausage brain. Try this. Oh, no, Sooty. I meant try the pan to catch the water. Yes, there. That should keep Richard happy.
I am not happy.
I think I spoke too soon.
Oh, hello there. Do you know, I hate the rain.
Hello.
Oh, hello, gang. Mr. Slater's having closed the park. That rain is torrential.
Yes, it is.
Do you know, I can still hear the sound of rain in my ears. It's almost like it's raining in here. It is. There's a hole in the bedroom ceiling. All right. Hang on, what did you just say?
There's a hole in the bedroom ceiling.
Oh, no! That's all we need. A leaky roof on a rainy day. You put the pans there to catch the rain. Well, that's very good. But what are you going to do when they fill up? Well, that's no good, is it? We're going to have to call the repairman. Come on. Mind you, I'm not sure a repairman's going to want to come out on a miserable day like this.
No.
Hey, you'll fix the leaks. You're experts. Oh, no, we've heard that before. You'll start with the leak in the bedroom and you'll fix the leak in the bathroom. What leak in the bathroom?
Excellent, boys. Get to it.
Hang on a minute, what leak in the bathroom? This gets worse.
Richard, all you do is moan, moan, moan. Now, Sooty'll fix it, so come on. It's only a little bit of rain.
But I hate the rain, Sue. It's so wet.
Gather round, everybody. The moment has finally arrived. It's the fireworks countdown. Stand by, Buster. All together now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh dear, what is this? A malfunction? Oh, no, no, no. Is there a technician in the house? Anyone? Is there anybody out there who can help? By jingo! It's Sooty!
It's Sooty!
What's that, Sooty? You need us to say the magic spell? Righto! All together now. Izzy, Wizzy, let's get busy!
Gang. All I need to do now is try your nice spicy soup.
No, Richard, I wouldn't do that. Not the soup. No, no. it was super.
Super. Very funny. Bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Here we are. There. There. Oh, isn't this party exciting, boys? I bet Harry and Meghan will be coming. I hope they like Spam.
Oh, have you got a glass of water there, Sooty? How's the lawn going? Well, not as well as this. Oh, well done, gang.
Oh, thank you, Richard.
Oh, I'm never going to get this lawn cut in time. I'm going to get in the sack this time for sure.
Oh, dear. Got any ideas, Sooty? Hee, the magic wand. Izzy, Wizzy, let's get busy.
Well, that was a great idea, Sooty. Not. Hey? At least the lawn is mown. Oh.
Now, Richard, don't moan. Moan, lawn. Get it?
Oh, yes, very funny, Sue. Right, I'm going to go and get dried off. Cool, what a day. With my luck, any minute now, it'll probably start raining. Oh.
Oh, dear. Look at those clouds, Sooty. Oh, it would be terrible if it rained on Mr. Slater's garden party. You think there could be some sunny spells on the way? Really? Are you sure? I see sunny spells. Oh, lovely warm sunshine. Oh, it's boiling. Oh, quick, Sooty, cool us down. Oh, that's better. A nice cool rain shower. The next letter is X, which makes a X sound. Let's look around for a word beginning with X.
Oh, this is tricky.
Yes, it is difficult, Richard. Hardly any words begin with X. So X is just X.
Wait a minute, Sue. I know that you're right. Hardly any words begin with an X, but lots of words end with an X, I'm sure.
OK, so what words end in an X?
Oh, well done, Sooty, you're right. Fox. Fox ends in an X, and X makes a X sound. Fox.
It's so difficult to find a word that begins with an X. Eggs? No, not that sort of egg sweep. Eggs begins with the letter E. Eggs. Oh, dosey dog.
Come on.
I thought I was working with experts. I was working with experts. Oh, very funny. I'll go and get the eggs myself.
You booked a famous star to play the part of Big Bad Pete? Oh, wow. Don't worry, I've got his costume already. What time will he be around? Oh, he's gone. Oh, well, at least we've got... Can you just stop that a minute, Sue?
Ah, I'm really getting into the swing Richard. Fiddle-a-diddle-a-diddle-a-dee. I can't wait for Sooty to see me in this dress. Oh, my. It's Fearless Sooty the Kid. Fiddle-a-diddle-a-dee.
Oh!
Richard's a loon. Oh!
Thank you very much, Sue. Look out! Ow!
Richard's Lou. Well, he does look a little flushed.
Thank you, Sue.
Fiddle-a-diddle-a-dee. Fiddle-a-diddle-a-dee. Fiddle-a-diddle-a-dee.
All right. Well, you lot stop fiddling. We've got work to do. And seeing as I do such an amazing job, Mr. Slater has put me in charge. Oh, yes. I am the sheriff.
Ooh, that's a big hat, Richard.
Sue, will you just keep an eye on the milkshake saloon for me?
You got it, partner. If there's milk needing shaken, then this pound is making. Fiddle-a-diddle-a-dee.
Lovely. Right, come on.
Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living.
Well, hey there, little lady.
Well, howdy-doody-do. Fancy a milkshake, partner?
Not really. I've just had breakfast.
Oh.
I'm here to play the part of Big Bad Pete.
I don't believe it. You're Peter Andre.
You got me.
Oh, I'm a huge fan. Mysterious girl, I want to be close to you. Oh, this is a dream come true. So, you're going to be our Big Bad Pete and challenge Sooty in the quick-draw water gun fight.
Right, and I was wondering if you could point me into the direction of Richard, because Mr. Slater said I need to find him and get my Big Bad Pete costume.
Well, that was Richard leaving when you came in.
Well, you take care there, little lady.
Oh, thanking you, Petey. Fiddle-a-diddle-a-dee.
Right, Sooty, the next letter is the letter E, which makes an eh sound. Now, what can we see around here that begins with eh? Hey, where are you taking me, Sooty? Sooty, what are you doing? Sooty, what's the matter? Hey? Oh, elephant! E makes an eh sound, and eh is for elephant. Brilliant, Sooty. Don't make me jump, you and your magic wand, hey? You can do other noises as well. Oh, go on then. Did you really have to do the smell as well?
Sooty, do you know how to speed things up? With magic! Oh, I see! Easy, Wizzy! Let's get busy! Oh dear.
So, we had 6 bottles, we take away 2 bottles, and we have 4 bottles left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.
green bottles sitting on the wall. 4 green bottles sitting on the wall. And if 2 green bottles should accidentally fall.
So, we're going to take away 2 of the bottles. We have 4 bottles, we take away 2. How many bottles will we have left? Sooty, take away 2 of the bottles. Thank you very much, Smarty Pants. All right, all right.
Oh, this stick should make it nice and crunchy.
I say, hello? Is anyone there? What you've done, this whole thing is unprecedented. No, it's all right. No, stop that. I can clean it off myself. I say, what is that flavour? Fish, chips and honey?
Oh, hello, sir. You look like a gentleman who's in need of some serious refreshment.
Yes, I am indeed.
Well, you have come to the right place. Please try one of our new flavours inspired by the mysteries of the Orient.
Thank you very much.
Don't you like bamboo?
What does it taste like? A Chinese takeaway?
Well, yes, you can take it away or you can eat it here. We're very flexible.
This is preposterous. All I want is some quality ice cream. And what have we here? Sweep surprise. All right. Well, let's see. Surprise when it's got mustard in it. That's the surprise. It's all very well for you. What about my mouth?
Quick, Sooty, do something.
No, I am not refreshed, but I have to tell you, my name is Henry Witham Smythe, and I write for the Daily Cone, which is the largest selling ice cream magazine in the world. Yes, and I'm going to write my next article immediately, and I'm going to expose this establishment for its lack of traditional dairy fresh ice cream. I'm going to tell everyone to keep well away. I'm going to freeze you out, in fact. Good morning.
Oh, I'm so sorry. No sleep. Now I'm in double trouble. Oh no, Sooty, do something.
You think the next word could save Richard? Well, the next letter is V. That makes a V sound. What can you see that begins with V, Sooty? Yes! On the counter, vegetables! V makes a V sound, and V is for vegetables. So what are you going to do?
Izzy Wizzy, let's get busy! Let's scarper! In fact, I
tell you what, we'll finish tidying up and then I'll take you all to a magical place where we can teach Sweep all about the letters in the alphabet.
Hooray!
But come on, gang, first of all, we've got to tidy up Mr. Slater's office. What's that, Sooty? We could tidy up the office super fast if we use the magic wand. Wow! Why didn't you think of that before? Go and get your magic wand then. Hey, I wonder if the boys and girls at home know the magic spell. I'm sure their mums and dads do. And in case you don't, it's Izzy Wizzy, let's get busy. So if we all say it together after 3, we'll see if we can tidy up Mr. Slater's office by magic. Ready, gang? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Izzy Wizzy, let's get busy! Oh, Sooty, look at this. It's all spick and span. Oh, well done, and well done to you at home for helping with the magic. Right, all we need to do now is get these leaflets stapled together and we can head off.
Yippee! Wow! Did you know that 100 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the world? Now it's Simon Cowell. Oh, ouch!
Morning. Who is responsible for this dinosaur on the floor? Sooty, right. Now, Sooty, don't do that.
Oh, Richard, I made your porridge.
Oh, thank you, Sue. Ah! No! What was that dinosaur doing on my seat? Waiting for his breakfast. Oh, very funny, Smarty Pants, very funny. Well, you might laugh, but you know that dinosaur dig I was planning to take you this afternoon where they've discovered the new bones? Yes, bones? Well, that trip is cancelled, thanks to all the silliness and mess that we've got to clear up. And if you'd like to excuse me, I have a very important meeting with Mr. Slater.
Oh, no.
Just as soon as I am washed and dressed.
Oh, what a terrible start to the day. If only we could start the day again, things might turn out differently. Follow you to the tool shed? To the tool shed! I can't believe we're building a time machine.
I've tidied up all the mess in there and I'm going now. What's going on in here? Top secret? Oh, charming.
Screwdriver! Screwdriver! Spanner! Spanner! Monkey wrench! Monkey wrench? It's ready for a test. Follow you. Okay. Wow! This is amazing, Sooty. So cool.
Really hope you enjoyed that video and... Hang on a minute. It's the telephone. It's Mr. Slater. Hello, Mr. Slater. I'm just in the middle of... What's that, sir? Tell them if they don't subscribe, then I'll get the sack. Oh, he's gone. Well, you heard what he said. If you want to see lots more Sooty videos, you have to subscribe by clicking here. And if you want to watch some more videos now, click here and here.
Mr. Cadell, Master Sweep, this is your room. I do hope you both have a good fright. I mean, night.
He does laugh at anything. We could do with him in the audience for one of our live shows. Come on, Sweep, let's get this night over as quickly as possible. Let's just get to bed.
Oh, Sweet, what's the matter? The eyes moved? Yes, they have moved. They were closed, now they're open because you've just woken me up. We're not supposed to wake up till the morning. Good night. What do you mean, look at the eyes? What are you going on about? The eyes on the picture. Sweet, what a load of nonsense. What are you going on about? Sweep your crackers. What?
Hello, fatty bum bum.
Oh, well done, Sooty. They look terrified. There's no way they'll last the night. Well done, Sooty. This is spectacular. Look, Richard's in position. Activate Incy Wincy now.
There's something on my head. Where? What do you mean there's something on my head? What do you mean? What do you mean it's there again? Sweet, quick, get under the covers. We're going to have to sit this whole night out. What is it, Sweep? There's a horrible hand at the bottom of the bed. Quickly, quickly, take this, and when I tell you to, hit it as hard as you can. Ready? Right, hit it now. That was my foot, Bone Brain.
We fooled you.
So it was you two trying to frighten us all the time, you little scamp. You see, I might have known there's no such thing as ghosts. Time for some shut-eye. Good night. What's going on here?
What are you doing here? You are supposed to be in bed. You are in bed? Yes, I can see that. You're in my bed, and you're supposed to be in yours. What are you doing? You looking for your pet mouse? Oh, hang on a minute. Did you say pet mouse? I didn't know you had a pet mouse. Well, where is he? He's gone missing. You left his cage open this afternoon, and now he's escaped. Oh, ow! Stop doing that. You're looking for Mr. Whiskers. Mr. Whiskers? Don't worry, he won't have escaped from the caravan, that's for sure. Mice are very clever creatures. He's probably cuddled up, having a sleep, nice and warm, which is exactly what I'd like to be doing. So if you don't mind, go on, off to bed. What? Can you stay here? What? In here? On my bed? You won't be any trouble. I won't even know you're here. All right. As long as you don't make any noise. Excellent. Well, good night, Sooty. Good night, everybody. What's going on? Excuse me? I said, excuse me? Excuse me? Your music is keeping me awake. Off with that, put it away, and off to bed. Good night.
What is that noise? Sweep! Sweep! What's the matter? Why aren't you asleep? You looking for your bone? Oh, honestly. You can't sleep without your favourite bone. I'm sure it'll turn up. Oh, you can look for it in the morning. You need to find it now? Could be lost and afraid? It's a bone, Sweep. Oh, I'll help you look for it. But you have to promise me that as soon as you find it, you're going straight back to bed. Do you promise? Good. Now, when did you last have it? You don't know? Oh, you don't know much, do you, Sweep? Well, let's start in the toy box. And the minute we find this bone, it's straight back to sleep, okay? Wah! It's a mouse! It's a mouse! Ah! It's a mouse! Ah!
Really hope you enjoyed that video. And hang on a minute. It's the telephone. It's Mr. Slater. Hello, Mr. Slater. I'm just in the middle of... What's that, sir? Tell them if they don't subscribe, then I'll get the sack. Oh, he's gone. Well, you heard what he said. If you want to see lots more Sooty videos, you have to subscribe by clicking here. And if you want to watch some more videos now, click here and here.